Alright y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm out here in farm country at a shop looking at this FJ60. We'll do a quick walk around. This thing is in rough shape. Real rough. The customer has been bugging me to come out here and look at this old FJ60. And this thing's worse off than I remember seeing it 6 years ago. Well, obviously. Got rust all up in there. Frames rusted up in there. We got the body is pretty much shot. That's the inside. That's the inside. All that is rust. Even the seat brackets are completely, like, basically rusted away. Let me get this carpet up real quick. There's ants or some kind of mites or something living up in here. We got a hole up in here. I'm sure it's all rusted up underneath all this stuff too. That's the sound that in from the factory. I found whatever the heck these things are, and some babies.
The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah.
I don't know about all this mess. Man, that thing's rough. Missing a door panel over there. We got rust all up in there, through the top. Got rust popping up back here behind the window. All underneath the window. The rear section back here, cross member is all rusted out. Frame's all rusted out over here. It's actually bent. Frame's rusted all back up in there. Man, this thing's rough. That's the steel itself delaminating from rust. Over on the driver's side, we got basically nothing but straight holes all up in there. Same thing on this side. Peel this stuff back, and yeah, she bad. Frame body mount looks like it's about rusted off. This thing's terrible, man. Got a hole right there. The frame is absolutely shot. Cross members are shot. There's ants or mites or something all up in it. Even the leaf springs look extra thin from being rusted. This thing is just shot. Long story short, he ain't gonna like my price if he wants to fix this thing. I'm watching out for snakes right now. I'm out here behind the back of another shop that's had this thing for years and years. Out here in Atkinson. Yeah, this thing is just terrible. Straight rust bucket. And that's just what I can see without pulling a bunch of stuff off. There's mold. That's all mold over there. The seat covers. I'm not touching them. Terrible, man. So long story short, he's not gonna like my price, and he's an old guy that likes these old vehicles, so he'll probably pay it. Honestly, I hope it does not. Let's pop the hood. It actually works, surprisingly. Something just fell apart in the door. No idea what that was. Scared what I'm gonna find when I go pop this hood. Oh, look. More ants and mites.
The ants go marching two by two, hurrah, hurrah.
I was actually expecting there to be wasps flying out of this place. There's not. Let me find the hood prop. It doesn't have a hood prop, but got plenty of ants in it. Termites, whatever the hell these damn things are. it's got actual springs for the hood prop, hinge, whatever, but it doesn't work. Every inch of surface that can rust is pretty much rusted away. Damn near all of it. I don't know about this. I'm gonna have to explain to him he's gonna have to put up a pretty penny to fix this thing. It's gonna need new lines, new hoses, a lot of metal work done to the body, brackets, a new frame, leaf springs, bolts, nuts. I mean, you're talking about the whole 9 yards. But he's stuck on getting this thing fixed. My beard is all fluffy today. Yeah, he's not gonna like this. Oh well. Anyway, I'll keep you updated. I'll let y'all know what he says. I'm gonna post this as wrong way, as video number 1, episode 1 to the FJ60. I need a lot of work. So yeah. Alright, well, as you can see, this thing is a piece of junk, pretty much. It's supposed to be worth a lot of money, but anyway, I'll keep y'all updated and let you know what's going on. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and let me know what y'all want me to do with this thing.